Hello friends, how are you all? First of all, I would like to thank you all for 100 subscribers. Guys, this is my first achievement on YouTube. I have got 100 subscribers. 100 plus subscribers on YouTube. So guys, keep supporting me. Today's video is about comparing KTM RC 390 with KTM with Royal Enfield Bullet Classic 350. So guys, this is my KTM RC 390. My brother has Bullet Classic 350. So guys, today I'm going to make a comparison video between the both bikes. I would try to compare and all the aspects. So guys, do bear with me. If I miss anything, do comment. I will make sure that I don't miss that aspect in the next video. So guys, first of all, this bike is a sports bike and Royal Enfield Bullet is a cruiser bike, and I know both the bikes can't be compared with each other, but I will try to compare because many of them are not able to make the mind to buy a sports bike or a cruiser bike. So guys, today I'm going to put the pros and cons of both the bikes, and guys, why you should go for a cruiser or a sports bike. So guys, the KTM RC 390 costs about 2,43,000 and you can get the Royal Enfield Bullet under 1.5 lakhs. So guys, the price is the major difference. If you are low budget, then you can't go for this bike, but if the budget is not a problem, then you should watch this video and make up your mind. So guys, first of all, the RMVs. Guys, both of them has good RMVs. The rear view mirrors are good, but both of them start vibrating after a set particular RPM. So you will face the problem more in the Bullet and less in the RC. You can get a clear vision in RC, but on Bullet you will lose the vision due to the vibration. They will vibrate a lot. Guys, this bike has a mammoth amount of torque, mammoth amount of power. You can easily do 150 in just 20 seconds or 25 seconds. And on Royal Enfield Bullet, you have power, you have that sumo type of power, but you don't have that speed. You can only cruise at 80 km/h. After 80, you lose all your confidence because of the vibration, and if you cross 100, your hand will become numb and your mood will be off. So guys, if you are a speed lover, then go for this KTM RC. And guys, then the major difference is, not major but a good difference, is the fuel meter, the speedometer. The speedometer available on the KTM RC is a much better fuel speedometer, which has a lot of information like fuel to empty, average speed, and average riding time. All the stuff you got on that speedometer. I think it's the best available under 3 lakh bike. So guys, and on Royal Enfield you just have a speedometer and an amp meter. You don't get any other meter on the Royal Enfield 350. So guys, if you are too much keen about how much fuel is left, how much the mileage is, everything, then you should go for this KTM RC 390. Reserve. Guys, you get a good amount of reserve on the Bullet, nearly 2.5 liter Bullet reserve on Bullet. And guys, you don't have that ability to, you don't have the option to put the bike in reserve on or off. The fuel is always on, and if you hit the reserve, a light will blink. So guys, you don't have to put the bike in reserve manually, it is automatic. So guys, you will have to watch for the reserve. If you hit the reserve, then go to the petrol pump and fill the tank. So you don't have fuel gauge on the Royal Enfield Bullet. And one more major difference is about the safety, or you can say braking. You don't get any disc brake, rear disc brake on Royal Enfield Bullet. And forget about ABS, you don't have any ABS on Enfield. And on this KTM RC 390 you have both side, rear and front disc brakes, ABS, separated ABS, good quality ABS that works perfectly fine. And on Bullet, don't expect braking system to be more powerful. And guys, one more thing is the heavy clutch. The clutch is so heavy on Bullet that your fingers will start paining, your palm will start paining after around 30 minutes of ride. Same goes with this, but it is not, the palm will pain, the finger will pain, but this is not due to the clutch. The clutch is buttery smooth, super smooth. No other bike has that much smooth clutch, but that palm will start paining because of the riding position. The riding position is too aggressive. And guys, the one more difference is the tubeless tires. After spending nearly about 1.5 lakhs, you expect tubeless tires, but you don't get tubeless tires on Royal Enfield, but you get tubeless tires on KTM RC 390. Both the tires are tubeless. And guys, the reason for not having tubeless tire on KTM on Royal Enfield 350 is because of the spokes present in the rim. You can get tubeless tire by replacing the alloys. That might cost too much. You get a low maintenance battery or no maintenance battery on KTM RC 390, but on Royal Enfield you don't get that battery. The battery might get discharged after you are riding at night at high beam. So guys, if you are riding at high beam, that might be the reason that in the morning your bike will not start. In some cases I have heard. You get MRF tires in Royal Enfield Bullet 350, and you get Meslers that might cost 20,000 for the pair on KTM RC 390. So guys, this might be a huge difference for cornering and all that. Guys, Royal Enfield has good sitting position. I think the best sitting position. You can go long rides on Bullet 350, but on KTM RC you have a aggressive position like this. So guys, you will face the problem of comfort on KTM RC 390, but you will get habitual. And guys, the Bullet wins in the sitting position. It has a more upright position. And guys, again, let's come to comfort also. For the pillion, Enfield is best. On RC you don't get a pillion comfort that much. Enfield has a more broader seat and more padding on the rear seat. So guys, your pillion will be in comfort. So that's about seat. Now customization. Both the bikes are equally customizable, but Bullet is more customizable because you love this RC as it has come from the company. So guys, you will not want to customize anything on this, but you will like minor modification. And on Enfield you can do way more modification than this KTM RC, and you will love to modify Bullet instead of KTM RC. If you love to customize a bike, then go for Royal Enfield. Guys, the parts are easily available in India of both the bikes, but for Bullet you can, in every third shop you get the parts of Bullet, but for KTM don't expect the service. That part will be available only in the service center. So guys, that might be a problem for some. And size, and guys, Enfield is the best cruiser under 2 lakhs. Consider 3 lakh also, it is the best cruiser only. Bullet is the best cruiser, and KTM is the best sports bike. If you like cruising, don't go for this bike. This will be very painful. And guys, I have already told that it is best sports bike under 3 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs. Now come to the body. The body of Bullet is totally metallic, and on KTM RC 390 it is totally fiber, very less use of metal. So it might look a toy kind of thing, but on Enfield it is rock solid and it looks more sturdy. So guys, metal body is plus point for Royal Enfield Bullet. Engine sound, guys, all of us love the sound of Bullet, so Bullet wins in the engine sound. And for some of you, the sound of KTM RC will sound like auto rickshaw. For some of you guys, torque, both the bike has good amount of torque, but considering only 30cc difference, this bike has a way more torque than Royal Enfield Bullet. So guys, you will get a massive pushback, and on Bullet you will not get any pushback. Just the sound you will hear, you will not feel the power of Bullet. Guys, goodwill of the company, both the company has goodwill in the market, but in India, Enfield is, except forget India, in the whole world Enfield is much better company than KTM. It is established way behind KTM. So guys, both the bikes are equally having equal goodwill, but Bullet has more, so Bullet wins in this category. Guys, headlamps of KTM RC are more focused, more powerful and more efficient. You can check my channel for the headlamps video of KTM RC. And guys, on Bullet you get good headlamps, but they are not that good as KTM, so KTM RC 390 wins. Guys, service cost, the service cost is much lesser in Bullet. You can get your Bullet serviced at local service centers also, but KTM should go in the KTM showroom only to get serviced, because the local mechanic will not touch the bike. He will say, I don't want to take the risk. And guys, ABS, this has ABS, that doesn't have ABS. That was my opinion about ABS. And guys, you will get a better service in KTM showroom because the customers are less and they care about the customer much more. And on Enfield, the bike is so much on the city, on the streets, that you will not get a special attention in the showroom. So guys, that might be a reason for some. So guys, that's it. That was my honest comparison between the Royal Enfield and KTM RC 390. So guys, if you like my video, do hit the like button or thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel for similar videos like this. And guys, do subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, comment if you want to ask something. Guys, thank you, keep supporting, I need your support. And once again, thank you for 100 subscribers. Guys, keep supporting, thank you.